Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple gallbladder stones with a renal stone and a stone in the ureter. You can see the multiple gallbladder stones seen in the body of the gallbladder. The patient is lying in the side-on position. Hydronephrosis is defined as distension of the renal calces and pelvis with urine as a result of obstruction of the outflow of urine distal to renal pelvis. Hydroureter is defined as dilatation of the ureter. The presence of hydronephrosis or hydroureter can be physiological or pathological. Hydronephrosis can either be acute or chronic. In acute hydronephrosis, full recovery of kidney function is seen. However, with chronic hydronephrosis, permanent loss of kidney function is seen even once obstruction is removed. Hydronephrosis is not a disease, but it can be caused by a number of conditions which affect the kidney and the urinary tract. If left untreated, the pressure of the buildup of urine, which normally flows easily through the urinary tract, may cause pain, swelling, and permanent damage to the kidneys. Hydronephrosis is usually caused by blockage in the urinary tract or something disruption the normal working of the urinary tract. The urinary tract is made up of kidneys, the bladder and ureters, and the urethra. Symptoms of blocked ureter or urinary tract obstruction or pain in the abdomen, lower back or sides below the ribs, that is flank pain, fever, nausea or vomiting, difficulty in urinating or emptying the bladder. You can see the left kidney and it shows moderate hydronephrosis with hydroureter. You can see a stone also in the renal pelvis of the kidney. Hydroureter refers to dilatation of ureters, and it is most often caused by obstruction of the urine outflow due to blockage of the ureter by calculi, chronic inflammation, luminal or intramural neoplasm, or accidental ligation during surgery. You can see a large stone in the renal pelvis of the kidney, and this stone measures about 15 millimeter. Hydronephrosis is a condition that typically occurs when a kidney swells due to the urine failing to properly drain from the kidney to the bladder. This swelling most commonly affects only one kidney, but it can involve both kidneys. Hydronephrosis is not primary disease. Most people with hydronephrosis will have a procedure called catheterization to drain the urine from their kidneys. Depending on the underlying cause, medication or surgery may be needed afterwards to correct the problem. Now, hydronephrosis is a true emergency in patients with only one kidney, and should the person believe that the lone kidney is at risk, urgent medical care should be assessed. Now, typically, the doctor will describe the patient hydronephrosis as mild, moderate, or severe. Sometimes hydronephrosis is given to grade 1, 2, 3, and 4, with 1 representing very minimal dilatation and 4 representing severe hydronephrosis. Hydronephrosis may be present in one kidney or both kidneys. Thanks for watching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.